guys, I'm Tekabest. This is ANS, the channel where you live gossip. Hope you are having a wonderful day. I know I am, and I think you are having a wonderful day too here. So today I want to talk about our friendship. Yes, please. As we are making friends, we make friends every day, everywhere we go, we have friends. Please, let there be limits. Yes, let every friend have a limit in your life. Make they get boundary now as they talk, so get boundary. Say this one, they cross this conversation. This one, they cross this conversation. This one, they cross this conversation. Yes. Please, because if you have a boundary, you will mind the things you tell them. Because all these friends you are telling things about you, most of them are not really friends. A lot of them are frenemies. Yes, they are enemies pretending to be friends. Especially all these besties. Yes. Please, mind people you tell. Mind the people you tell your things, especially the ugly past of your life. In fact, don't tell anybody, keep it to yourself. It's your own life. It should be a secret. Some people say everything they know about themselves to their friends. Please, it's a past tense. Don't bring it into the present so it won't ruin your future. Because some persons you tell these things, they hold these things fervently, waiting for the day your ear is about to hear a congratulation, and they open it. They open the bag, wow, and say, look at it. You can never be congratulated because of this. Please, keep your past tense to yourself. Even your husband, yes, because not every man is matured enough to handle the past life of a wife. Yes, study your husband before you tell your past. Even some men, they have the ugliest past in this world, yet they will still bring out fight or something bad out of your small past that is ugly. Please, keep your past to yourself. You will see a girl who got raped and then she told her best friend about it, then after during the rape she got pregnant, and then she has to abort it. She told the friend, and then immediately she's about to get married to another guy. The friend will go and tell the fiance that this one when they rape, she don't do abortion. She tell you, yes, that's the kind of friend you have. You will see a girl, that was in a sweet relationship about leading to marriage, but because of blood group or not that, they couldn't get married, and then she will bring a conversation to you, or you tell her, I wish I'm really getting married to my ex. I really loved it because I really love that guy. She will record it and send it to your fiancé. Now this is why you want marriage, she go cheat on you. Please, mind the people you tell your past. Yes, mind it. Even some of them, they don't wait for you to bring the conversation. They come to your house one hot afternoon, say, hey, bride to be. That's how they pretend to be friends. Bride to be, there, close up for you. They bring the topic, fine. So last, you are James no married now, wow. Then you innocent to you said, yeah, not for this genotype issue. I would have loved to marry James. As you are talking, she's recording it, and then she will send it to your fiance. So you will never get married. Yes. And imagine that's the kind of person you want to make your maid of honor. Not even want to. You've already told her she's going to be your maid of honor. Please, mind your friends. And also, once you notice a friend is being jealous of you, jealous of your achievements, quit. Cut that person off. Please, cut that person off. This message is mostly for girls because you barely see a guy do these things. Please, cut her off. She's evil. This thing has happened to a friend of mine. A friend that I already got engaged to. Somehow. Something just happened. Now they tell her every time, quit this girl. This girl no good. He no good. Say, leave her like that. See, Nobody knows what happened. Even she doesn't know what happened. But me, I know say na that one don't go do something. Please, mind your friends. Mind who you tell things about you. Anyway, I will end my article here. I still remain to the best, and this is Stay MS signing out.